Good morning. It's a sunny day in beautiful New Orleans. It's a great place. As we find out with most places, obviously one full day is never enough, you know, so we only get the briefest of snippets, but it's time to move on to pastures new, maybe not greener pastures, because New Orleans is quite nice, but what we're doing today, we are heading up to Memphis. So for 6 hours we're going to drive through Jackson. So that's going to be our food stop for today. It's going to be Jackson. But so hot. Yeah, wearing all this biker stuff, thick pants, jacket. I'm actually looking forward to the motorway to start off with, to cool me down a little bit. Just crossed the state line. We are no longer in Louisiana. We are now in Mississippi. It might be a little bit windy for you to hear me again, but just a quick update. We've been driving for about 2 hours, but it's exactly as I thought it would be. Straight line driving, lots of cruise control. I don't think you can tell this too much, I'm sure you can't see on the video, but this truck up here is a gravel truck and loads of, there we go, loads of gravel is spilling out the top, and I feel like I'm being sandblasted right now, absolutely sandblasted. Wow, what a dick. Oh well, that woke me up. Here we are in Jacksonville, Mississippi. It's been a long 3 hours on a very straight road. I think we found a Greek restaurant. It was either on Triple D or Man vs Food. I'll check that out in a bit. I'm not an expert on Greek food, so I'm looking forward to trying something a little bit different in there. Is it Reefer or Keefers? We always have to park on a hill, because Gaz's little legs don't touch the ground, so he can't back up his bike. He needs a momentum. Bless him.
Hey guys, you don't want to go ahead?
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Cheers, mate. I have to drink my dark pint. On the split. Service hummus is good, I think. I got the Suvuku. Gaz is on the more famous gyro.
Little bit said on the menu, little tip on the menu is don't unwrap it, just turn a paper as you eat.
Okay. Gaz knows I'm a messy eater.
It's good quality meat, it's tasty meat. Personally, I could do with a little bit more spice on it.
Yeah. But like I said, maybe a bit of spice. It's missing a bit of heat. But need to stop eating messy foods. No more.
To you, every food seems to be a messy food. It was all going so well.
Go right up there. And go up through down there by the Code,
Right.
go Murfreesboro, you know, and then go up the mountain end. It is fine.
Yeah, that's what I keep hearing. Yeah, looking forward to that.
Yeah, cannot wait.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah. Fully Red Bulled up. Oh, needed that for sure. So hot. belly full of food, not a good idea for biking. So fingers crossed that Red Bull will keep me going for another hour, and we'll take another break before the run into Memphis. Well, we have just officially crossed the state line again, so we had a very quick stint in Mississippi, literally just stopped at Jackson to have some lunch, and now we are in Tennessee. Well, welcome to Motel 6 in Memphis, Tennessee. Another 5-star classy motel establishment, but it's only, you know, a couple of miles away from Beale Street, which is apparently the place to be in Memphis. Have a quick shower, put some fresh, well, maybe not fresh clothes because we're not being able to see laundry for a week. If we stop circling around Motel 6, office is here, guys. Oh.
Check 1, 2.
I quite like it on Beale Street, it's quite chill out compared to Bourbon Street. Yeah, I quite like the relaxed atmosphere on Beale Street. Cheers.
About no camera being on me. My name is Lindsay. What can I get y'all? You want to get some ribs?
Ribs for sure.
You want to try some brisket?
Alright, perfect. That works for me. So, cheers. Cheers.
That's good. What do you do, Jimmy?
That's a good beer. We can have a table full of meat. I cannot wait. Cannot wait.
No sides, no appetizers.
Cannot wait.
Meat and beer.
Beef brisket, boom, smash it. Loads of ribs, yeah, we'll smash that too. Yeah, it's ribs so far.
Oh, ribs are awesome, very good.
Let's try the brisket. Beef brisket.
Well, I think you got
That's solid barbecue. Yeah. Yeah, very tender. The rib. Yeah, it's got like a dry rub on it. The rib's good. The brisket might be a bit funny. I don't know. So you have beans as well. We've got some kind of barbecue sauce.
doing everything good?
It's going all over my face again.
I'm impressed it's only the face that's going on.
Yeah, so far.
Well, have you eaten like a normal human being by the end of the trip?
A civilized Englishman. Eat like James Bond. It took us maybe about 10 minutes. Ribs done. Boom. Beans. I hate beans and I nailed them. Absolutely nailed them beans. And then the brisket. Also demolished. Yeah, boom. And I'm debating whether to order more. We won't get
Meat bread.
The last world club is dessert. Yeah. So dessert is the bread left underneath the meat, under the brisket. It's just full of meat juice. Barbecue, meaty, juicy goodness. Yeah. Who needs a creme brulee or tiramisu when you got meat-soaked bread? Oh. So rendezvous for me, 5 out of 5 for sure. I think it's last ring.